Breville Oracle Jet, poised in a sea of plastic automatic coffee machines. This 28 pounds of sleek stainless steel. This machine, in black truffle, Breville's matte black stainless, has a subdued elegance with its smooth rounded modern lines. It truly sits in class of its own, bringing luxury and quality that you can both see and feel that are designed to last. I'll admit, I was skeptical. Machines that make bold claims are rarely able to deliver. But the Oracle Jet surprised me. A blend of automation and manual espresso merged beautifully, giving you the speed and ease of an automatic while keeping enough hands-on control and customization to make every cup feel personal. It's a balance that maintains a simple coffee-making routine, yet delivers just enough daily ritual to make every cup feel special. The Oracle Jet gives me that barista-level coffee experience without the need for a bunch of counter-congesting coffee gadgets that only I use. The control, guidance, and automation that allows a complete novice to craft a coffee drink that is just as good, if not better, than their local coffee house. That's part of the real beauty, how it's become part of the household. It's simple enough that everyone uses it, yet refined enough that I still look forward to crafting my own cup. Yes, it's not a machine for everyone. Straight espresso drinkers that chase those subtle notes in a flavor profile will be left frustrated by the slight variance in consistency. Some will still find it way too complex, and others will say it's just too expensive. But for those who appreciate an excellent coffee drink, the ritual of coffee, the calm of the morning, but also the speed, convenience, and confidence of a machine that just works, there's really nothing else quite like it. The Oracle Jet doesn't just make espresso. It brings a little bit of that cafe right into your home whenever you want it. And that's where the Oracle Jet truly shines. So here it is, the Breville Oracle Jet in the long-awaited black truffle. We're going to get it unboxed, set up, and see what it's all about.
Rising high like a rocket in the sky. Grains of gold whisper, grind and fly. Push the button and hear the hits. Oh my. Breville Oracle in my cafe jet. Sipping on dreams I'll never forget. Breville Oracle, take me to the sun. Every sip's a race I've already won. Milk spins, dances a frothy ballet. Beans are the stars leading my day. Liquid velvet sweeping me away. Breville Oracle, you're my caffeine jet. Sipping on dreams I'll never forget. Breville Oracle, take me to the sun. Every sip's a race
on-screen guidance made it super simple. My initial impression of this machine is excellent. Once you have it unpacked, simply plug it in, and the on-screen guidance coaches you through the entire process. And it's all here. Grinder, portafilter, baskets, maintenance tools. The only thing you need to bring is a towel and a cup. There's a lot to unpack, both in machine and function. But with the on-screen guidance anytime you need, it really has simplified the process. So now 30 days in and about 5 pounds of coffee later, how do I feel? I still think it's an excellent machine, but it did come with a few humps to get over. The biggest one being consistency, back to back. When I pulled a single shot, I never had a problem. But if I pulled a shot immediately after that next consecutive shot, it took a lot less time, and I'd end up getting some under extraction. The stock portafilter that's spouted has a lot of thermal mass. That and the group head itself has a lot of thermal mass. So once they became heated up, the extraction time decreased. So there's 2 ways to mitigate it. You can use one of these, a naked portafilter, remove some of that thermal mass, and you can kind of split the difference. Or you can take the additional time and simply heat the machine up ahead of time. The clearance on this machine is very small. It's about 4 1/4 inches. So another benefit of the portafilter that's naked, clearance. Get some extra. And then the final thing was the grinder itself. I feel like you have a ton of flexibility with it being stepless, but at the same time it doesn't lock into position. And it just kind of felt like over time it would drift a little bit coarser. And then every few days I would have to just a quarter to a half turn, turn the grinder back to finer to get it back to where it was. So that's something to note. Now once you finally get into a routine with this machine and you've got all these little subtle nuances figured out, the machine really starts to shine. Crafting custom recipes, the level of control you have is phenomenal. You can adjust water volumes, water temperature, milk temperature. These are all things that have really simplified my day. I can be power on to a latte in under 3 minutes. Impressive. Most machines can't even warm up in that time alone. Now maintenance. A necessary evil, but it's real easy on this machine. Go into your menu, you select what kind of maintenance you need to do. It'll alert you if you need to do the maintenance, and it guides you through the whole thing. Now this machine is very simple to use, but I have to acknowledge that added control, it does come with a learning curve. It's not a huge one, but it's still there. This machine is probably going to be best suited for somebody that expects a quality product and just as high a quality end product. It doesn't mind a little time getting acclimated to get to that point. Someone that's mostly making dairy-based drinks such as lattes and cappuccinos, and values convenience, exceptional speed, and just having everything in a package that does what you want it to do. And for that, the Breville Oracle Jet is an absolutely fantastic machine.
I'm just gonna walk through making a latte with the Breville Oracle Jet. This is the truffle black color. You can see you turn it on, loads pretty quickly, and there's a whole array of different types of drinks you can make. I'm gonna start with just a simple latte. Just tap that, and you can see there's multiple settings. First one is the grind size. You can change the size depending on what kind of a pour speed you want. You can change, it's a double shot or a single shot. Let's go with a single. And you can also customize the type of milk and temperature you're using. I'm gonna start with oat milk, 140 degrees, microfoam at a level 5. I'm gonna go ahead and put my cup in here. A cool feature is there's this hot water setting that you can use to prime the temperature of your mug. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and set up the grinds. Go to the side, it's automatic. that's all set. Has the loading bar all done. You can pull that out and now fit it. The next step here. That's all snug. Gonna dump the hot water out, and you can start the actual espresso. Nice little timer here shows you how long the pour is. Just a single shot. And last but not least, the oat milk. Please slide it in and just tap to start, and it'll start frothing. See, it tells you the temperature the milk is at right now. Like a loading progress bar. And we're at 140 degrees, all set. Take my mug out. Remove the frothed milk. And there it is, a cup of coffee in about 3.5 minutes.